The Highway Code is published by the Department for Transport and is licensed under the Open Government Licence version 3.0. For more information, click on the link in the description below. General rules, techniques and advice for all drivers and riders. Rules 103 to 158. These will be read as separate sections for signals, stopping procedures, lighting, control of the vehicle, speed limits, stopping distances, lines and lane markings and multi-lane carriageways, smoking, mobile phones and satellite navigation. Each section will be given its own video. All of these sections should be read by all drivers, motorcyclists, cyclists and horse riders. The rules in the Highway Code do not give you the right of way in any circumstances, but they advise when you should give way to others. Always give way if it can help to avoid an incident. Signals, Rules 103 to 106. Rule 103. Signals warn and inform other road users, including pedestrians, of your intended actions. You should always give clear signals in plenty of time, having checked it is not misleading to signal at that time. Use them to advise other road users before changing course or direction, stopping or moving off. Cancel them after use. Make sure your signals will not confuse others. If, for instance, you want to stop after a side road, do not signal until you are passing the road. If you signal earlier, it may give the impression that you intend to turn into the road. Your brake lights will warn traffic behind you that you're slowing down. Use an arm signal to emphasise or reinforce your signal if necessary. Remember that signalling does not give you priority. Rule 104. You should also watch out for signals given by other road users and proceed only when you are satisfied that it is safe. You should also be aware that an indicator on another vehicle may not have been cancelled. Rule 105. You must obey signals given by police officers, traffic wardens, and signs used by school crossing patrols. Rule 106. Police stopping procedures. If the police want to stop your vehicle, they will, where possible, attract your attention by flashing blue lights, headlights, or sounding their siren or horn, usually from behind, or directing you to pull over to the side by pointing and or using the left indicator. You must then pull over and stop as soon as it is safe to do so. Then switch off your engine. Other stopping procedures, Rules 107 to 112. Rule 107. Driver and Vehicle Standards Agency officers, DVSA officers, have the power to stop vehicles on all roads, including motorways and trunk roads. They will attract your attention by flashing amber lights, either from the front, requesting you to follow them to a safe place to stop, or from behind, directing you to pull over to the side by pointing and or using the left indicator. It is an offence not to comply with their directions. You must obey any signals given. Rule 108. Traffic officers have powers to stop vehicles on most motorways and some A-class roads in England and Wales. If traffic officers in uniform want to stop your vehicle on safety grounds, for example, an insecure load, they will, where possible, attract your attention by flashing amber lights, usually from behind, or directing you to pull over to the side by pointing and or using the left indicator. You must then pull over and stop as soon as it is safe to do so. Then switch off your engine. It is an offence not to comply with their directions. Rule 109. Traffic light signals and traffic signs. You must obey all traffic light signals and traffic signs giving orders, including temporary signals and signs. Make sure you know, understand, and act on all other traffic and information signs and road markings. Rule 110. Flashing headlights. Only flash your headlights to let other road users know that you are there. Do not flash your headlights to convey any other message or intimidate other road users. Rule 111. Never assume that flashing headlights is a signal inviting you to proceed. Use your own judgment and proceed carefully. Rule 112. The horn. Use only when your vehicle is moving and you need to warn other road users of your presence. Never sound the horn aggressively. You must not use your horn while stationary on the road or when driving in a built-up area between the hours of 11:30 p.m. and 7 a.m, except when another road user poses a danger.